Hello everyone, good evening. Today is the third day of trying to improve my communication skills. Today is April 30. Today I played basketball with my coworker. It was really tiring. After 6 years, this is my first time of playing it again. I'm so tired right now, but I need to record myself. Yes, to be consistent with my goals. I need to practice it every single day. So let's talk about again my day. After work, we played basketball and I can't handle the ball in the right way. I have so many turnover. My pass is not, my passing skill is not good. Maybe I have 5 turnovers. Also, I shot 4 out of 7 field goals. It was fun because after 6 years I played it again. It was really fun. I love watching NBA. Yes, and it is really hard game. Physical game. So part of my goal is to become a healthy. And yes, basketball is really a good sport to become healthy. It is make you think not just your body. You also need to use your mind. Yes, I think I'm not that good enough to play it, but it was fun. It was really fun, and I love basketball still. My idol is, yes,